Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best engine stands is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any garage, but trust me, if you're planning on doing any engine work, you'll want one. These stands provide a secure and stable platform, allowing you to safely and efficiently assemble, disassemble, and work on your engine. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, having a reliable engine stand can make a world of difference. Number 5. Torin T32100 Engine Leveler. This engine leveler, from Big Red, is designed to make engine work easier. It's perfect for anyone working in a garage or workshop. With a 3/4 ton, 1,500 pounds, capacity, this tool is built to handle heavy loads. It's made from rugged, top-quality structural steel, ensuring durability. The leveler is fully adjustable, with 3-position chain mount holes. This allows it to accommodate various engine configurations, making the job easier. It features 4 14-inch chains, each with an L-bracket assembly. Simply attach them to the engine for a secure hold. Use the crank handle for quick and easy adjustments. The threaded shaft balances the load with ease, making engine removal and installation a breeze. What we like. This engine leveler features a 3-position design, allowing for precise engine positioning. It has a robust 1,500 pounds capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of engines. If you need precise control and easy adjustments during engine work, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It really gives you extra ability to maneuver the engine while installing it. The tool feels well built and works well. It makes alignment of the engine and transmission way easier. Number 4. Big Red at 23401BR Engine Stand. This engine stand is built with heavy-duty steel. It's designed for long-term durability and has an industrial look. The stand can handle up to 3/8 ton, or 750 pounds. It's equipped with casters for easy movement around your workspace. The mounting head rotates 360 degrees. This allows for easy access to any part of the engine while working on it. It features 4 adjustable arms. This allows it to securely hold most foreign and domestic engine blocks. The stand has a powder-coated finish. This helps to deliver rust resistance, keeping it in good condition. The product includes a 1-year limited manufacturer warranty. This provides peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This engine stand boasts a 360-degree rotating head for easy engine access. It's built with heavy-duty steel, ensuring long-lasting durability. If you are looking for a reliable stand that offers easy maneuverability and access to all parts of your engine, this one is a great option. What people say. Easy to assemble, had all correct hardware, and was such a treat to work on a motor that was held securely and solid. The arms are easily adjustable so you can use some of the factory engine mounting bolts to secure the engine to the stand. 3 wheels means it will never rock on an uneven surface, so even you backyard mechanics working on that bumpy cement pad that your grandpa poured in 1982 will have steady mount. It rotates easy, which is a huge plus for access to those Subi head bolts. The wheels are solid steel, which makes it easy to roll around. Number 3. Torin T26801 Rotating Engine Stand. This rotating engine stand is built with heavy-duty steel. It's designed for long-term durability, ensuring it can handle the toughest jobs in your workshop. The stand's head rotates a full 360 degrees. This feature allows easy access to any part of the engine, making your work much more efficient. It features an extra-wide base. This design provides maximum stability, so you can work with confidence knowing your engine is securely supported. This stand has a 3/4 ton, 1,500 pounds, load capacity. It's equipped to handle most foreign and domestic engine blocks with ease. The stand includes fixed and swivel casters. This allows for smooth maneuverability around your garage or workshop. When you're done, it folds up quickly. This feature helps save space, making storage simple and convenient. What we like. This engine stand features a quick folding mechanism, saving valuable space when not in use. It also has a 360-degree rotating head for easy access. If you have limited space in your garage and need a stand that's easy to store, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Very easy to assemble. Heavy construction, easy to put together, obviously a well-thought design. The fact that it basically folds in half for storage is an awesome bonus. Number 2. JEGS Rolling Engine Cradle for Chevy Engines. This is the JEGS Rolling Engine Cradle. It's designed to make your engine work easier. With this cradle, you can store and maneuver your engine safely and securely. Built with heavy-duty steel, it can handle up to 750 pounds. The sturdy construction ensures that it can support your engine while you work on it. It comes with storage hardware, so you'll always have the bolts you need. This feature saves you time and keeps everything organized. It includes 3-inch steel casters that swivel 360 degrees. This allows for easy maneuverability around your workspace. This cradle works with BB Chevy and Gen 1 SB Chevy engines. Please note that it will not fit LS engines. With this cradle, you can store and move your engine safely. It's the perfect solution for any mechanic. What we like. This engine cradle includes storage hardware, ensuring you always have the necessary bolts on hand. It also features 3-inch steel casters for easy maneuverability. If you like to keep things organized and need a cradle that's easy to move around your workspace, consider this one. What people say. Assembly is easy and straightforward. Tools needed. 3/4 wrench, 1/2 wrench or sockets. I can easily roll the engines around the garage for storage or for working on them. The engine cradle works for small block and big block Chevy engines, not for LS-type engines. Holds 750 pounds. Has nice heavy-duty swivel casters. Crossbar holds included engine attachment bolts. Number 1. VEVOR 1,300 pounds engine stand with 360 degrees adjustable head. This engine stand is rigorously tested to hold up to 1,300 pounds, ensuring your engine is held safely and firmly. The upgraded U-shaped base provides even more stability, eliminating any worries about shaking or tilting. Made from selected alloy steel, this stand provides stable support and is resistant to deformation or fracture, even with long-term use. The electrostatic spraying surface adds protection against rust, keeping it looking new for years. The 1.1 long hex head bolts on the mounting arms provide a tight, secure grip on your engine blocks. The adjustable and 360 degrees rotatable mounting arms ensure you can work efficiently. The body is made from durable cast iron. Equipped with 4 universal wheels, including 2 with brakes, this stand can be easily moved and positioned. The casters are made from QD450 cast iron, ensuring smooth performance and resistance to pressure and wear. Compatible with various engine blocks, this stand features a 20 extended handle and 6 location holes for hassle-free rotation and fixing. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this stand is perfect for your repair work. What we like. This engine stand can securely hold up to 1,300 pounds. The upgraded U-shaped base makes the engine stand even more stable. If you are looking for a heavy-duty engine stand that offers stability and a high weight capacity, you should consider it. What people say. Well made. Welds look great. Should easily hold the advertised weight of 1,500 pounds. Happy to see they use quality solid caster wheels. Metal was thicker than I expected. Easy to assemble. Leaps and bounds upgrade over the cheap ones. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.